Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy chicken teriyaki dinner. If you're interested, keep watching.
Cooking made easy.
Hi, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell organic seasoning, organic cooking paste, organic hot pepper sauce, jerk marinade, barbecue marinade, and so much more. I will make sure to have the link below in the description. If you are interested in trying our product, please remember to visit our website. Today in this recipe, I'm going to be using the organic spicy meat seasoning. I love this seasoning. It is packed with flavor. It is an all-in-one seasoning. Even though the name is meat seasoning, you can also use this seasoning to marinate tofu or seafood, any type of meat that you like. And also, this seasoning can also be used to saute vegetable. I love this seasoning because it is also gluten-free and it is also safe for vegan and vegetarian as well. All right, let's start with the recipe. Okay guys, for our teriyaki chicken, we have some breast chicken. I already cleaned them and deveined them. And we have some onion and bell peppers. It's up to you. You don't have to add those, but me, I like those in my cooking, so I'm going to add some of those. And we are using the organic spicy meat seasoning. And also I have some teriyaki sauce. I made this teriyaki sauce following a recipe from the internet. So what I use to make it, which I'm going to make sure that I put the description, I use 1 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar. I use some honey, some ground ginger, some garlic, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of cold water. And I let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes until the sauce is thickened. So I made it off camera, so let me show you guys what it looks like. You can see the ginger. So this is the teriyaki sauce. My first time making this dish, I'm so excited. So first, before we start, we are going to season the meat. I'm just going to season and marinate the chicken, and I am using I hope you guys can see. Oh, okay, I am using the organic spicy meat seasoning. And this is what the consistency of the seasoning look like. Okay. I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons. If you are cooking more meat, please feel free to adjust the amount of seasoning that you are using as well. And now I'm just going to marinate and mix it together so the meat can marinate. You don't need to let the meat marinate for an hour. If you want, you can. But on busy night when we are trying to make dinner very quick, this seasoning is really good. It penetrates the meat immediately. And this is what the meat looks like. Now we're just going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And I have some jasmine rice cooking. The rice is almost ready. I didn't show you guys how to make the right rice, but you can always follow the direction. Remember, 1 pot of rice, 2 pots of water. Okay, now we are going to start cooking the chicken, and we are going to heat up some oil. And this is a seasoned chicken. Now we are going to add it in. And we're gonna keep stirring so it doesn't get burned. Now we are going to let the chicken cook. For me, this is the longest process in this recipe because we have to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked. And I'm doing this on medium heat because I don't want my chicken to burn. I want the inside to be fully cooked. So if your heat is too high, the chicken will get burned and you don't want to eat uncooked chicken. So take your time with this. Reduce your heat to medium and let the chicken do its thing. And guys, wherever you are watching, whoever you are, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I know most of people who watch my channel are not subscribed. Please remember to subscribe, help support my channel and help me grow. Enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Okay, now I'm going to remove the chicken. Now I'm going to saute the veggies. Not going to clean the pan. I'm using the same pan. I'm going to saute the veggies. These are the veggies. And we are going to cook the veggies until it gets tender, and after that I'm going to add the chicken in there and then add the teriyaki sauce. Okay, now our veggie is ready, so I'm going to add the chicken back in there. Give it a good stir. Okay, now I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce. Make sure I shake it because I want to make sure I get all the garlic and ginger that's been sitting in the bottom in there. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, now I'm going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, now that our teriyaki chicken is ready, I'm going to turn off the stove and get ready to serve. And I'm just going to serve the teriyaki chicken with some white rice. You can also make some vegetable on the side, some broccoli if you want. I just wanted mine to be simple. Just going to serve it with some jasmine white rice. I tasted the chicken. It is super delicious, so good. I am definitely going to try this recipe again. And the chicken teriyaki is so good. The chicken is so soft, really nice. If you try this recipe, please make sure you comment below and tag me and let me know how you like this recipe. And I'm just going to use some of the teriyaki sauce. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy chicken teriyaki. Here's a closer look. And as you can see, guys, the chicken soft. It is cooked. Nice, tender white meat. Hello guys, thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. And guys, when I make this recipe, feel free to add or remove things that you don't like. Me, I like to cook with onion and bell pepper. Not everybody like that. So if you don't like the taste of onion or bell pepper, feel free to remove them in the recipe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. And please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Cooking made easy.